up for sale. This is 1990 Nissan 300ZX. This is the twin turbo model. This car was found stored in a barn. It stayed there for many years. This is a one owner car. It's got 16,000 original miles on it. Okay. This car is being offered for sale online. This is going to do a brief video of it. Well, two videos of it really. One video is showing you the exterior of the car and the car's condition. And then the second video will go inside the car and show you the interior and show you all the features inside the car and show you that they all work, because everything in this car does pretty much work. I've tried mostly everything. So we'll get started. As I mentioned, one owner car, stored 15 years in a barn. Clean Carfax, no accident history. The car is in great condition. Do a little walk around. The car's got BF Goodrich tires. Front of the car is very, very clean. There's no chips on the bumper, hood, front mask, the lights, anything. The bottom part of the lower valance isn't cracked. A lot of these cars you'll see the bottom part cracked due to hitting speed bumps and stuff like that on the road. This car is exceptionally clean. This, I believe, is probably one of the lowest mileage twin turbo ZXs being offered right now. Tires in the car are like almost new. They have plenty of tread, so we don't have to worry about any tread wear or anything. On the side of the car, really, really clean. You may have a small door ding here or there, but that's going to be about it. And right now, I don't even see any, but there might be. Super clean. Okay. You have some very, very, very minor bubbling on the rear spoiler. I mean, it's very, very slight. Certain angles, the only one you can see it, which is common. It's a rubber spoiler, and after 30 years, you'll get that. Rear bumper on the car, perfect. No dings, no damage I could see. The car does have two new mufflers. The previous owner's son did put them on. I guess he planned on keeping the car, but decided not to. This car is bone stock besides the two mufflers, and the radio was changed. The car's got a Pioneer or a Kenwood head unit. Otherwise, it's totally stock. There's no modifications, nothing. This is a stock Z. Once again, down this side too, I don't see any blemishes. The car just, I mean, it shows great. It really does. Over there, we get T-tops. Show them real quick. Same thing with them. They're in great shape, and the shades are also present. The sunshades on the back side of them. Windshield, it's great shape. All the glass is nice. There's no cracks or chips in any of it. As you can tell too, the car is running right now. This is going. Pop the hood. Just give me a second to open this. It takes two hands. There we go. Car is running. Hood insulator is present. All the original stickers on the car are present. I don't believe any of the parts have been changed on this car. All the parts seem to be original. The battery on the car. This car also too, I didn't see any rust anywhere. Seems to be a really rock solid car. Running great. Give me a second. Put the hood down. Okay. Let's take a fast peek in the interior. Door panels are in great shape. Seats are in fantastic shape. Floor mats are present. Owner's manuals are present. There's your cluster, all your gauges work. 16,007 miles. Okay, there's your radio, it's an Alpine radio. And I believe the original Bose speakers are still being utilized. So he really didn't change much. Seat, said great shape. Here's your rear storage area. There's your shade. Okay, T-top bag is there. It's all here. Okay, we're gonna put the T-tops back on the car and proceed the video too, showing you all the car's interior features. Stay tuned.